Hi, our online friends. How are you? Happy Friday. I hope that this is Lucas after school with me today. So I hope that you guys had a great week. I wanted to kind of show you what we're doing today. Some of this should be pretty simple for you, but I know it's a little weird to begin. So we wanted to do a quick video to kind of help you along through the process. So what this is you're going to launch this purple ball right here, and it's going to follow the path of the blue line. Over here, you can see that this blue line is y equals 1/2 x plus 1. And your goal is to get these gold stars. So obviously right now, if I launch this, boop, doesn't work, right? Did not hit any of the stars. So I need to figure this out. So I can adjust this. I can adjust the slope. I can adjust the y-intercept, but really did not waste a bunch of my time. I just want to look at these stars to see where this line should go. Obviously, it needs to move down. And this slope looks pretty good. So I'm going to try to adjust this. This is -1. If I want it to go through like right there, sorry, this is 1. If I want it to go through right there, it'd be -1. So let me try -1. And it's not low enough. So I want to keep going. Maybe -3. Looks pretty good. Launch it. Ooh, not good. Too low. I'm going to launch it again. And there we go. It was a success. Okay. So some of these are simple. Like that's exactly like slide 1. Some of these are a little more difficult. You can see where this cuts off. Now let's look at this equation. This is something we're really familiar with, right? But this notation is a little new to us. So I want you to look at this line for a minute, and I want you to just read this. This says x is what? Right, less than 4. Well, let's look at the x-axis, right? This is our domain. So it's setting our domain for the x. It's going to be everything that's less than 4. So do you guys see that all along this line, the x values are all going to be less than 4. So first of all, I need to get this to come further down, right? So what is this number right here? 10. Okay, so let's see if I replace that with 10, what does it do? Well, it goes down. Okay, now I need it to go lower. Sorry, keep moving me around. So if I launch now, it's only going to get that first one. So I want it to maybe bump back a little bit so it can drop off and get this. So instead of 9, maybe I'm going to do, instead of 10, my brain is moving faster than my hands. Instead of 10, I'm going to do 9, and it's going to set my domain. It's going to move it back. Okay, it's still too far. Maybe 8.5. Launch. I also could change the slope, right? So I might make it less steep or more steep. I could change this. If I want to make it, is that going to be more steep or less steep? So if I do that, okay, let's see. There we go. Oh, I missed one. Okay, so you're going to adjust this however you see fit. You could even add another line in here. Right now, these first ones, it shows you one line, but you might want to add another line so that it stops and banks back and hits. So if we did y equals, say we did 1/2 x, and I want to bump this pretty far down. So maybe 4. See what it does there. And then it's going to slide back and hit it. So your goal is to get all of these 6 to be successful. And like I said, on some of them, if you need to, it's going to give you, like right here, you really need to read. If we change the 3 to a 0 in the equation, what would happen to the graph? Okay, so you're going to go through here and make some predictions. Then you're going to verify by the equation. Your friend won't get many stars like this. What changes could you make to this equation? So you're making predictions. So I need to make this slope more steep, or I need to change the y-intercept, or I need to change the domain. Okay, any of those are things that you might predict. And then over here, this is showing you slide 12. Slide 12, it's the same graph as slide 13. And that's when you're going to come and maybe change the slope or change the domain. Or change the y-intercept. So good luck on this. Please let us know if you have questions. We probably will not get through 22 all on Friday, but I would say at least try to get to slide 15. All right. So have a great weekend and good luck on this assignment. Thanks, guys.